Good morning, fifth grade. I wanted to go ahead and show you really quickly a really cool something that I discovered this weekend. Maybe some of you already knew about this, maybe some of you didn't, but it's okay. So if you are using my online version of the Science Fusion reading links in order to actually read what you need to read for the day because you don't have your science book, I want to show you something. For today, Monday the 6th, you are to read 2 pages, 530 and 531. Now, please make sure that you're always logged on to Clever before you try to hit the link that I share with you guys, because if you are not, that link will not work. Now that you are in, then you can go back to your classwork, and if you look under book pages, you'll see Science Fusion pages 530 and 531, which is what we're trying to read today. So you click on the link, it takes you straight there. Now, if you are having some difficulties reading, or if you just like to read out loud or like that extra help here and there, and guardian, big sister, big brother, mom, dad, grandparent is not there to help you read, please, please, please hit this little microphone at the top of the page, and there's another one here, and it'll read to you.
Adaptations. Living things have many similarities. They also have many interesting differences.
And of course, you can pause it, you can stop it, and then for the next page, you go here.
Ostriches, rheas, and emus all live on different continents.
Okay, so this is for anybody that's using my link that I'm sharing so that you may read the same pages that everybody else is reading on their books, but online.